Hey guys, what's up? It's here we are with another video. Sorry. Um, with the kid games. Your boy. Guys, honestly, um, I'm about to play Battlelands right now, but I want to show you guys what I can do on Pixel Gun. Not much right now, honestly. Yeah, right now I'm in U2 clan. Well, Universe 2, I'm in Universe 2, the clan. And then, ooh, a Star Trail. More for stuff for Battle Royale. Sorry about that. And so yeah, I'm gonna do a real quick video here. And I'll see you guys when I get into a game. Okay, guys. So right now I'm deciding what I should play. I think I'm just gonna play the regular team fight on Emperor's Palace. I'm pretty good on Emperor's Palace, not gonna lie. Um, and no, I'm not a tryhard at this game. Literally, you hope I don't like. No one gets mad that I kind of abuse some guns. Usually I'm sniping, but sometimes I pull out the solar power cannon when I can't hit a shot at all. And if you guys didn't see my character, my name's It's Chucky. Well, U2, Universe 2, It's Chucky. Right now, this person's getting annoying. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. Right there. That is exactly what I was talking about. Ugh, that gun gets me so mad. That hit him straight on. Yeah, 9 health. There we go. Manny down. Man, who's lagging, me or him? I want to know. Oh my. What the heck was that? Jeez, I cannot hit anything tonight. It's usually like when I'm not recording, I hit stuff, but when I am recording, it's like I'm garbage. I've got 2 kills on Mandy. That's pretty much what. Man, why is he lagging so bad? Oh, he's in a different state. That's probably one reason. Okay. Just gonna head on over. Sorry, I'm moving right now. But, oh, okay, never mind. I think I'm lagging. For sure, I'm lagging. Just gonna head on over. Yep, I'm lagging for sure. I don't know why I ping's so bad right now. Where is everybody? There someone is. Crap. Darn it. I'm gonna get a horrible reward for this game. Heck yeah. Well, guys, I'll show you what I get for my reward. And on, I guess, yeah, head on to the next. 3 trophies. Horrible. Oh, wow, I actually did pretty good. Not pretty good as in kills, like pretty good as in a reward. But I'm gonna do another game real quick. Guys, I chose what I wanted to do. Looks like it's gonna be a battle royale. Haven't played one in a minute here. Looks like we had 2 people on the same team. No, it's like Manny, the last person we were just playing with. What is like Manny? 13 players. 14. Are we 15? Are we gonna have this? I did the big one, like the big map. No, okay, yeah, no, we're not gonna have quite a few players here. Here we have it. We're about to jump. Think I'm gonna jump right here. There's probably gonna be a lot of people here, but I can't do anything about it. Who likes my adorable Chucky here with my whatchamacallit, bunny ears? I thought it was pretty funny, but it's whatever. So, oh yeah, we're gonna have quite a few people here. What am I gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I think I'm gonna fly straight into this window right here. Pick up all the loot in this house, and then head on out, because that's all I can do for right now. And obviously there's no loot in that house. And I don't feel like dying in a matter of 2 seconds. And actually, I think I've only won once on this. I can't snipe. I can't snipe. Mostly with the Burrito Headhunters. Guess you could say bad as it is now. It used to be so much better way long ago when the normal shotgun was out and it was just like the Christmas axe and everything. Yes, I used to play then when it was like the online dating app. Oh, I remember everyone always was dating and everything, and everyone was like no kill lobbies and everything. All the private lobbies were just. I think I just got another sniper from that. Not another one, the same one, but just more ammo. Apocalypse is pretty good. I've been killed with it a couple times online. But right now I'm gonna see. Nope. There's a blue one right over here, and I think I saw a little reflex. Okay, I can do better than what I could do with the Buddha Headhunter with this gun here. Just gonna run through this place real quick and make sure. I've found quite a few golden chests in here before. Oh yes, please. Come on. I'm not sure what I just got. I think it was the, oh, yep, I'll take that. I didn't see what it was. It kind of gave me a gare. Oh shoot, our whole team's right here. Oh crap! I didn't even notice that. That guy, I would be gone. I think that's. Oh no, looks like need that. Okay, well as you guys can tell, we're really squatting right here. We're getting shot from behind here. Yes, please. Okay, I look like such a hog back here, just taking all the weapons while they up there killing them all. Sorry, everybody. Now I kind of feel bad. Everybody get in the circle. Oof, that was close. What the heck? He's just trying to like full out just. That's pretty weird. Wait, I accidentally opened that. Just trying to press reload. Ooh, a gold one. That was pretty useful for, you gotta come and chill. Go! And now it's on fucking fire. Now it's on fire. Okay, So they have no absolute reason to come back for him. There we have it. Okay. Oh shoot, that's why they're running. No. Oh, I was doing really good too. And I can't see what's in front of me, and I think it's Dusty. Yep, Dusty Dump. I'm screwed. Oh, I hate that sound. I hate that sound. I hate that sound. Please, 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 please. No, no. I actually was doing pretty good. I usually don't do good on this. They need to at least increase the moving speed. You place second. I don't know what that was. I'll take it though. Okay, boss got knocked out. NBA Young Polo is still alive. Guys, I don't know. I was gonna say I'll see you in next one. I'm gonna do one more battle pixel gun thing real quick, and then I might do another battle land, maybe tomorrow or today, one of the two. But I'll see you guys in the next death match.